In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Canva. So for example, you're editing this one and you want to put music. This is what you need to do. Just tap on the plus button, and on the upper menu, just go and select audio. In here, you can select any audio that you want. We have birds chirping, nature sound, or whatever, any songs that you want to put in your video. You can actually find it here. So just go ahead and search and select any music that you want. Then once you're done, just go ahead and tap that song. So as you can see here below, the audio is already on the video. So if I'm going to play the video, it has audio on it. So that's how to add music to Canva. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.